What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great Friday. Is that good enough?
That was very good.
Today,
Great.
today I wanted to go over the trades I made and how I managed to make over $270 on the day. I can't show it on my Tastyworks, but this is a screenshot just because the trading day is over and it's currently almost 7 p.m. So pretty much I made 3 trades today. First one is on the bond futures, and I took this trade pre-market. So as you can see, this is today. Overnight, we kind of sold off, and then we rallied a little bit, and we were in a downtrend, right? So this was around where I entered, around right here. So pretty much what I did, very simple. I'm going to drop down into the 1 minute time frame. Pretty much what I did was I got the range of this channel that I noticed, and I got the low of the channel and the high of the channel, and as you guys can see, we got rejected 3 times off of this channel, off of the resistance of the channel, and I just noticed some strong volume here, so that kind of caught my eye, and I kind of noticed the channel, drew out the trend lines, and pretty much saw the break of the channel. 2 closures after I saw a spike in volume, shorted 2 future contracts, and my stop loss was right around here, and then my take profit was right around here. So pretty much 8 ticks, pretty decent size move that I caught. So 8 ticks was the range of the channel. I copied the exact same size onto the downside, and then pretty much what happened was immediately we came down, we were overextended to the downside. That's when I closed 1 contract, and then pretty much I held the next one and got filled right over there. So that trade alone made me around 200 and I think it was $18. And then my next trade was on NVDA. So there was a strong rally in equities as we opened today, S&P 500 and XLK. As I was looking at XLK, is the technology ETF, and I do look at that in confluence with tech stocks when I do trade tech stocks. So NVIDIA, 5.2% or something like that of XLK consists of NVIDIA. So pretty much I noticed this pennant. We were making lower highs. We were in a downtrend on the 5 minutes and the 1 minute pretty much. So my entry was right here, and I wanted to get filled at a better price, and I'll kind of explain why my entry wasn't here after I got a confirmation of the break below that pennant. So pretty much what happened was I was looking at XLK, and then XLK, if you guys go to the same time today at 6:45 or 6:44 was my entry. I think it was 6:46 actually. So pretty much what happened, momentum crossed below on the stochastic slope right over here, and then we pretty much broke below this moving average, and then on SPY, what happened was, we rallied very strongly at the beginning of market open. We were trying to fill this gap, which we did fill immediately right after. I didn't play the gap play, unfortunately, just because it was a Friday, and I usually do not play that on Fridays. So pretty much what happened was, we broke below the moving average. I saw a lot of, momentum to the downside. Volume kind of was a little bit higher than it was before, right over here compared to right here. So that just gave me extra confidence to enter into 5 puts for NVIDIA. And then that's why, I bought them right up here instead of waiting for the confirmation. I just had that feeling that, we were going to break below, especially by looking at the lower highs. So pretty much I got the range from here to here, and then copied it down to the downside. And then right over here, I think was when I covered 3, and then I covered another one right here after I saw, 2 wicks to the downside. And then I just had pretty much 1 runner. My final take profit was right here. I tried to take profit right here, but it touched it very briefly, and then we pulled on back, and I exited right about here. So those are 5 at the money puts, and then I made just around $90 on NVDA. And then my final trade was on gold. This was actually a swing overnight. Pretty much what happens, this is not technical related or anything like that at all. I buy 3 calls, at the money calls, every single Thursday. Despite the fundamentals or the technicals, that's just something I've been doing for the last few months, and it's been working very nicely for me. So pretty much what I do is I buy the at the money calls anytime around Thursday, and then I put 1 contract at a 25% take profit and 2 contracts at a 50% take profit. So I don't exactly recall where I bought the calls, but pretty much it was somewhere around here. And then market did end up closing. We rallied a little bit, and I kind of did have a feeling that the sell-off was going to happen just because of the technicals and whatnot. But pretty much market opened here. I was down around 70 or 80 bucks. I still held all 3. We pulled on back right here. We rallied a little bit, and then I took 2 off the table right here, even though I was in a drawdown. And then the other one I still kept at the 25% target, which never got filled, and I just let it expire. So I was down a total of, I think it was around $30 or $50 or something like that on gold. And that is how I managed to make over somewhere around $270 today. That is going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed that video, please drop a like and subscribe. And if you guys have any other suggestions, drop them down in the comment section. And I hope you guys have a great weekend.